Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I've never really uploaded any video on this channel, but a Facebook friend told me that they want to see my drawing process and I thought, why not? I finished all my commissions and apparently I have nothing to do today. So let's just do it. I actually accidentally drew the head and forgot to record the screen because I'm freaking dumb. For me, Junji Ito's art style is very gorgeous. His characters are intimidating, but still they're very beautiful. And the key of this, in my opinion, is the eyes. See? That looks very weird. But it's okay, we're drawing on digital. And the advantage of digital is we can always modify it easily. The higher part is pretty hard for me because it's really hard to achieve those rough traditional ink looks on digital media. Anyways, if you want to order a drawing, I'm open for commission on Fiverr. You can check the link on description, okay? I just put screen tone for the clothes because I'm too lazy to work on details. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, okay?